Are you suffering from vaginal burning, wounds in uterus, tumors in stomach, white discharge, and feeling of tiredness? Come, let's get into the video. Wounds in uterus during labor. Pressure builds as the baby moves through the mother's birth canal. This pressure can cause the mother's uterus to tear. You can find some of the symptoms like pain in uterus region, pain in pelvis, lower abdomen, pain during intercourse, increased in urination, vaginal discharge. I need to share with you some homemade Ayurvedic recipes for wounds in uterus. Take aloe vera, grate it or squeeze the juice, rinse it in 50 drops and put it in a glass. Pour a cup of it, add some water, add a teaspoon of turmeric, jelly and drink the mixture. This will reduce the wounds in uterus. Drink twice a day. Tumors in stomach. There are some factors associated with diet and lifestyle. By eating food with high in smoked, salty foods, processed meat, alcohol, and smoking. The symptoms are poor in appetite, abdominal belly pain, vomiting with and without blood, feeling full after eating small meal. Many causes stomach cancers can't be cured. Tips I need to share with you some homemade Ayurvedic recipes for tumors in stomach. Take 30 grams of aloe vera gel, pinch of turmeric, 2 pinch of jeera powder, 1/4 spoon of candy sugar. Mix all together. Consume daily morning in empty stomach. By this, you can reduce the tumor present in the stomach. Take long pepper, dry ginger, black pepper, haritaki, pinch of pink salt, cow ghee. Dry roast separately each one except ghee. Make a fine powder. Store it in an airtight container. Take 30 grams of aloe vera gel, 15 grams of previously prepared stored powder. Finally mix with cow ghee. Eat daily morning in empty stomach. By this, tumor present in the uterus will dissolve. Take 1 teaspoon of Gantu Barangi powder, half spoon of dry ginger powder, 1 glass of rice washed water. Mix with 1 teaspoon of honey. Drink up to 2 to 3 times will reduce white discharge and feeling of tiredness. If you are suffering from vaginal area burning, irritation, take some 1 cup of Indian gooseberries juice or 1 teaspoon of gooseberry powder, candy sugar or 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix with 1 glass of warm water. Daily consume twice a day. It helps to come out from vaginal burning and irritation problem. Try once you see the difference. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do like, share and comment, and this will boost us to do more and more informative videos